What is going on, ladies? It's your girl Carrie M, and we have another Soleil today. Now this unit is different from the norm because your girl has pre-cut or ready to go bangs in this unit. Okay, it is a closure, so you know it's going to be easy. So I did have to do a couple of things with this unit to get it right, and yes, I did style it out of the pack. So stick around and get the deets because it might be your next unit. So today's video was sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me over this beautiful two-tone, two-colored unit with these nice, beautiful curls in it. We have pre-cut bangs. It is a closure unit, 2 combs on each side, one in the nape area, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. And this is what the lace looks like up against my skin. Okay, so now that we got all of that out the way, let's go ahead and see what it's hitting for. So first of all, y'all, I must say that the hairline looks really good on this unit, but we're gonna have bangs. So are we really gonna see it? But it's good to know we have it as an option, you know. So anyways, your girl is definitely gonna have to do a little something to get this wig to look right, because baby, this is not giving. So let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna tint the lace like usually, and you know I'm going to set it with setting spray and some hairspray because I do not play. I do not like that powder bouncing around because it definitely will. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually, y'all, gonna do the most today, and I'm going to melt this unit down. But first, let me go ahead and cut this lace off. You already know, zigzag pattern. Do not cut that straight across, girl. You do not want to be the girl walking around like that. I did come back with my makeup beats to the guards, honey, and it's definitely bringing this look together. But we got to get that little bit of lace right in the front. Let me know in the comment section, when it comes to installing your wigs and your makeup, which one do you do first? Because I do wig, makeup, and wig again, but I want to know how y'all do y'all's. Get some butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same. We're gonna get that parting space together. Concealer always gets it right, but it's only right to set it with some powder so it's not just smudging all over the place. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? If you know, you know what I'm talking about, girl. So look, we're gonna work on this bang area, and it is human hair, style straight out of the pack, no co-washing, no none of that, but you got to protect it. So make sure you got your heat protectant on deck. Now you already know all of the products and tools that I use to style my units are always linked in the description box. It's going to be linked to my Amazon storefront, so if you see something you like, go ahead and hit it up, and you can go ahead and get one for yourself too. Okay, these bangs give me a run for my money. I'm not even gonna sit here and hold y'all. Like, the unit came already styled out of the pack, and the curls already was laying the way they wanted to lay. Whatever I did, they was like, no sis, we're not doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip back the way I want to flip. So I tweaked it a little bit, I curled it, but I will be back because it just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. Now, I didn't really do much to the actual hair itself. I did curl like a few pieces in the front just so it could be more potent of a curl, but the curls came already pretty and wavy, so I didn't really want to mess it up. I didn't really want to do too much with the hair, and I didn't want to make my job difficult. Like, it already came curled up and done for me, you feel me? But that bang right there, girl, that bang was really giving me a run for my money. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby squad. The hair is actually really soft to the touch. I like how it feels, and it actually smelled good out of the pack. Like, it smelled really nice, as if it was freshly shampooed. And the unit didn't really give me any issues with any shedding or tangling, so it's a really good quality little unit right here. I can't even sit here in front. I can't. Now, the fit was actually pretty decent too, but overall the unit is beautiful. Now, I don't know about y'all, but this hair is super bouncy and it's super pretty. And I noticed that sometimes when I wear my units a little bit longer, they definitely come out cooperating a little bit more. Sometimes when the hair is too fresh, it's too bouncy, and it doesn't want to cooperate. But I'm telling you, if I wear this unit for like a week and then I come back and try to curl that bang, it's going to sit where I want it to sit. Sometimes I need a little bit of stiffness in this life, but This unit is beautiful. All of the details will be in the description box. You already know. Let me know your thoughts on this unit in the comment section. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. This was cool. This was funny. You already know. And I'm out of here. Bye. Long time since the last time.